Welcome students to your own channel and Institute the online classes achieve and today's our topic is Carnot heat engine. This is the very most topic of this unit. So read clearly. Okay. Then what is Carnot heat engine? This is given by Carnot scientist. So we called this Carnot heat engine. Its efficiency is 100%. Its efficiency is 100%. We know that it's not possible that a engine have 100% efficiency. 100% efficiency. So it is ideal heat engine. Okay. They have 4 parts of Carnot heat engine. First, heat source. Second, working matter. Third, heat sink, and 4 is stand. We read this one by one. First, heat source. This is storage of heat. Its heat capacity is infinite. Heat capacity is infinite and it have high temperature. What? It's important. It have high temperature. Let me consider the temperature is T1 Kelvin. T1 Kelvin. Next, working material. We use there that type of material. We use there that type of material. Their internal energy of material is equal to 0. The internal energy is 0. It means the matter pass from different states but come in initial state. But last come in initial states. That internal energy of working material is 0. Next, heat sink. Its heat capacity also like heat source is infinite, but one difference there. This it have low temperature. It have very low temperature, very high temperature. Okay, this is the difference between heat source and heat sink. First, very low source is given temperature, and sink is except temperature. Okay. Next, stand is addiability. It means their temperature will no change. Temperature will no change. Let there we have 4 process of Carnot heat engine. There we have 4 process of Carnot heat engine and 1 graph. We discuss that by a graph. Okay. Then first process is okay. First of all, we draw diagrams of all 4 parts. We diagrams of 4 parts. Okay. There we have working material. Working matter. And this wall is heat exchanger. This wall is heat exchanger. It means their heat exchanger is very easy. Their heat exchanger is very easy. Next, this is working material. Next, stand. This is made by heat barrier walls. Heat barrier walls. It means there have no chance to exchange heat. Next, this is stand. And next, heat shown. These are heat conductor walls. It means heat exchange is very easy there. Okay, and this is heat barrier. Okay, this is shorts. This temperature is T1 Kelvin. Next, we have last part, heat sink. Heat sink. This is the four parts of Carnot engine. This is the four part of Carnot engine. We discuss the Carnot engine by four processes, and four processes we discuss by this graph. Next, first process. In the first process, we put the working material on heat source. We put the working material in heat source. In this condition, the temperature of working matter is T1 Kelvin, and the pressure is PA, and volume is VA. In this condition, when we pull the piston, then the volume will be increased. The working material volume will be increased. And pressure will be decreased. The pressure will be decreased, and the pressure converting PV and volume VV. When the pressure is decreased of working material, then the internal energy of working material is decreased, and when the internal energy of working material is decreased, then the temperature will be decreased. But in this timing, the working material is connected with shorts. And this ball is heat conducting. Due to the heat conducting ball, the working material absorb the heat from heat source, and the temperature will be constant. Then this source is called isothermal expansion. When we do the mathematical analysis. And mathematical analysis we know that that W1 first, then we have work first is PD. Where to where? VA to VB. V to VB. Next, we know that from ideal gas equation. Ideal gas equation. What is PV equals to nRT. We have PV equals to nRT, but n equals to there. N equals to 1. Then PV equals to RT. There the temperature is 1, then pressure is equal to RT1 upon V. This is equation number first and equation number second. Put in equation first, we have W1 is equals to VA VD RT1 is constant, यदि बाहर निकल जाएंगे RT1 is constant and inside 1 upon V dV. The differentiation of 1 upon V is log. Question is 1 upon V is log V, and VV to VA to VV, and this is given RT1 log VV upon VA. This is formed in log E. This is in E form of log. Then we convert in tan form. That W1 is equal to 2.303 RT1 log base 10 VV upon VA. This is the first work done. Second process of Carnot heat engine. In the second process of Carnot heat engine, we put the working material on stand. We know that the wall of stands is semi-conducting of it, and the wall of is conducting of working material. Then if we pull like that first process, if we pull the piston, then pressure will be decreased and pressure हो जाएगा अपना PB से PC. Pressure will be decreased and volume will be increased. It is represented in graph by point C. वापस सुन लो. If we pull the piston, then pressure of working material is decreased and volume will be increased, and the temperature is converted in T1 to T2 Kelvin. In this process, the VA temperature is T2 Kelvin. Then represented by mathematical analysis. Okay, we know that this is work 2. This is work 2. And we have volume VB2 VC and P dV. Okay. Then next, by adiabatic state equation. What is the adiabatic state equation? The adiabatic state equation is PV gamma is equals to K. PV gamma is equals to K. We found the value of P, then P equals to KV minus K gamma. This equation first. Put in equation first. The W2 is equal to their K is constant, VB2 VC and V minus gamma dV. Then we do integration of this equation. Second, then W2 is equal to K V minus K gamma plus 1 upon minus K gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1 VB2 VC and the W2 equals to K first upper limit, and this constant is out. Upper limit, what is the upper limit? VC, then VC minus gamma plus 1, or I written that, and minus gamma and minus VB 1 minus gamma. If we multiply the K, so K VC 1 minus gamma minus K VB 1 minus gamma upon 1 minus gamma. Okay. Then my next terms, my points A and B. B and C. PV equals to RT, then PV. In on point P we have temperature T1 and PV VC equals to RT2. On B point, on C point. The next, we know that there is this PB equals to K VB minus gamma and PC equals to K VC minus gamma. This is equation number 3. This is 4 and this is also 5. Then next, put value in equation 4 from 5. Then what we put, RT1 is equals to K VB 1 minus gamma, RT2 is equals to K VC 1 minus gamma. This is equation 6. Then put value in equation third. We obtain W2, this is W2 is equals to, what is the value KBC? Is RT2 minus RT1 upon 1 minus gamma, then T2 minus T1, RT2 minus T1 upon 1 minus gamma omega 2, and V minus common T1 minus T2 upon 1 minus gamma. This is gamma. 1 minus gamma. This is the second work done. This is the second work done. Now the third process of Carnot heat engine. In the third process of Carnot heat engine, we put the working matter on sink. In this condition, the working matter have temperature T2 Kelvin and pressure PC and volume VC. If we push the piston, then pressure will increase. In this condition, pressure will increase to PC2 PD, and volume is decreased VC2 VD. When we do pressure on working material, we increase pressure on working material, then the initial internal energy of working material is increased and the temperature will be increased. In which the temperature will be increased, but in the form of put on sink. The sink absorb the extra temperature. Sink absorb the extra temperature, and temperature will be constant in this process. Then this is called isothermal compression process. This is called isothermal compression, and we do mathematical analysis for this. Okay, then we know that work third is equals to PdV, integration PdV, and we have the VC2 VD. VC2 VD, we know that from ideal gas equation, first PV equals to RT2. There we have temperature T2, then this is RT2. P equals to RT2 upon V, put value A equation first, then W3 is equals to RT is constant, VC2 VD, and 1 upon V, and the integration W3 is equals to RT2, and integration of 1 upon V is log V from VC2 VD. W3 is equals to RT2 log VD upon VC. This is the form base of log E and change in log 10, and 2.303 RT2 log 10 VD upon VC. This is work third. This is work third of Carnot engine. Now fourth process. In the fourth process of Carnot heat engine, we pour the working matter on stand end. In this condition, the temperature is T2 Kelvin. Then we when we push the piston on working metal, then pressure will be increased PD to PA, and volume will be decreased VD to VA. Volume decrease and pressure increase. In this condition, the internal energy of working metal is increased and the temperature will be T2 to T1 Kelvin. The temperature will be T2 to T1 Kelvin. Then we do the mathematical analysis. Mathematical analysis. Okay, we know that this is last process and work is W4. It's equals to P dV and volume is VD to VA and the volume is VD to VA. We know that this is adiabatic process. Then from adiabatic state equation. PV gamma equals to K. PV gamma equals to K. P equals to this equation of first. P equals to KV minus K gamma put in equation first. Then W4 is equals to K constant outside and V minus K gamma integration VD to VA dV, and integration is of W4 equals to K V minus gamma plus 1 upon minus gamma plus 1 VD to VA. In the next term, W4 equals to multiply the K inside, and the last term is K V A 1 minus gamma minus K V D 1 minus gamma upon what is upon 1 minus gamma. This is equation second. Then from ideal gas equation, equals to PV equals to RT, but for D point there the temperature is T2 VD PD VD. Temperature is T2, and the next in A point PA VA equals to RT1. This is a point. Okay, this equation is equation third, and from equation take for point D, PD equals to K VD minus K gamma, PA equals to K VA minus K gamma. This is equation 4. From equation third and 4, V is RT2 is equal to K V D 1 minus gamma, and RT1 equals to K V A 1 minus gamma. This is equation number 5, and from equation 5 and from equation second, and 5 W4 is equal to T1 minus T2 1 minus gamma. Then W4 is equals to our common T1 minus T2 1 minus gamma. This is the work for Carnot heat engine. Then now total work of Carnot engine. Total work is equals to W1 plus W2, W3 and W4. We put there the values of W's. So total work equals to first क्या था अपना 2.303 T1 log 10 base पे कहाँ पे 10 base पे VB upon VA माइनस सेकेंड था T1 माइनस T2 1 माइनस गामा और जो अपना थर्ड था वो था 2.303 T ये T1 है एंड वो है T2 log VD upon VC. There next term, okay, in the next term, but this is and the second T1 plus T2 upon 1 minus gamma. Next, this term is cancelled out from this term. Next, W equals to 2.303 T1 log 10 VB upon VA. There be common minus 2.303. We interchange VC to VD RT to log VC upon VD, and there we have minus. Okay, from there next from graph and graph points VB upon VA is equals to VC upon VD, then W is equals to 2.303 T1 log 10 VB upon VA minus 2.303 T2 log on 10 base VB upon V. And the next log T1 minus T2 log 10 VB upon VB. Then for efficiency of Carnot engine. Obviously, we know that the efficiency of engine is represented by eta is equals to W upon Q. W upon Q, put their values. When we put values of that, we know that first of all, we know that the first work done is equals to energy. First work done is equals to energy of material, because in the first one we say that the temperature of working material is T1 on T1. When the first temperature is T1, then the work done of first process is the energy of working material. The next, put their values, then eta equals to the working total work done is 2.303 R T2 minus T1 minus T2 log VB upon VA, and Q equals to 2.303 R T1 log VB upon VA. This cancel out, and value of eta is equals to T1 minus T2 upon T1. Then eta equals to 1 minus T2 upon T1. Sorry, equals to T2 upon T1. This is the efficiency of Carnot engine. This is the this is the formula of efficiency of Carnot engine. Eta equals to 1 minus T2 upon this topic. This topic is repeatedly come in the examination of thermodynamic physics. So this is the important topic of this unit. So learn it carefully. Okay, then subscribe the channel, share the channel, and like the video. Stay home, stay safe.